Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Ticket Tailor as a beginner. The first thing you want to do is go onto tickettailor.com. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along for free. Once on Ticket Tailor, you're going to tap on Get Started, and from there you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. In the top left hand corner, you're going to select events, then you're going to tap on add event. Once you have selected add event, you'll be able to give your event a name. So for example, I'm going to call mine Sunday Brunch. You can select when your event will be held, so it will be held on Sunday, and you can choose the time that your event will begin and the time that your event will end. So for example, it will begin at 11 a.m. and let's say for example sake, the event will be held from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. After you have done that, you can choose whether it will be a recurring event or a one-off event. Then you can select the venue name, and by the way, if you're hosting an online event, you'll select this is an online event, and from there you could select the platform that it is being hosted on. But if it is a physical event, you can simply tap right where you see venue name, and you could type in the venue. So for example, I'll just call it test venue. After you have done that, you can put in the venue postcode and venue country. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to add in your description. So you could describe the type of event that you're keeping and so on. Also, when it comes on to Ticket Tailor, I would also recommend that you, for example, add your poster picture right here. And you can create a poster pic by going onto Canva. And you can do this for completely free. Once on Canva, you're just going to tap on create from the top left hand corner. Then from there you could tap on the search bar and you could type in event, and you can see different options that you can choose from. You can choose the landscape option, you can choose the flyer, you have different options that you can choose, and you're just going to select one. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And what I would recommend you do is tap on templates in the top left hand corner. After you have selected templates, you can simply type in the type of event that you're keeping, and you'll see different templates that you can customize. After selecting a template and customizing it, you'll tap on share, then you'll select download, and you'll be able to download it. Once you have done that, you're going to quickly go back into Ticket Tailor, and from there you could upload it. So you can simply tap on downloads right here, and you can drag and place it, or you could tap on, for example, image, and you could upload it. So you can see how it looks right there. And I'm going to change the positioning of it, so I'll select it, tap on edit, then I'm just going to position it centrally. I will tap on save. Once you're finished doing that, you can also upload your logo image, so you could tap on upload right there. For this example, I'm just going to be selecting one of these images. Then you'll scroll down, and here's where you'll be able to put the button label. So I'm just going to add a button label, so mine will be buy tickets. And also, when it comes on to Ticket Tailor, you can customize it. So for example, you can choose the layout style or theme. But before doing that, what I would recommend you do is scroll down, and you're going to tap on save. After you have saved the changes, what you want to do, you're going to tap on edit event and tickets once more. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and this is the time now that I would recommend that you edit the layout. So you'll tap on edit global colors, and you'll be redirected to a new page. From the top right hand corner, you can choose the template that you'd like to use, and you can see that you're provided with numerous templates. It all depends on the type of event that you're keeping, so you can choose whichever one of these themes best suits you. So you can select it right there. You can also see how the listing page will look, and you can also see how the event page would look depending on the theme that you have chosen. Once everything is to your liking, you'll simply tap on publish changes. After selecting publish changes, you can also select listing page, and you can select publish changes right there, and you can change the image that is currently being used, and you can select the box office page, which will be the main page. You can tap right there, and you can also edit that. So you could, for example, upload your logo and so on. You have different options that you can choose from. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to quickly select publish changes. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to go back to the original page. So you can close this page, and go back to the original page right here. Once on this page, you're now going to add your tickets. To add ticket, you'll scroll down until you see ticket types. You're just going to tap on add ticket type. Then you can give your first ticket a name. We'll leave it at general admission. Select the amount of tickets that you'll be offering. Then you can choose the ticket price. Now with Ticket Tailor, once you have set the ticket price right here, you're going to see the estimated processing fee. So the estimated processing fee, as you can see right here, is 88 cents. If it is a case that you would like to pass on that fee to your patrons, instead of deducting it from the price that you're charging right here, you will tap on add booking fee, and it is going to give you an estimate. So you can see $2. So the ticket price will now be $22. So the patron will absorb the full price, and you will get the full profit of $20 that you were calculating earlier. You can tap on view fee calculation and you can see it right there. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on add ticket type. Then we're going to also be creating VIP tickets. So we'll tap on add ticket type once more. And we're just going to type in VIP. And you can select the quantity of VIP tickets that you'll be offering. So for example, I'll be offering 50 VIP tickets. Then you can set the price that you'll be selling the VIP tickets for. And you can see right there. And I'm going to tap on add booking fee once more. And we'll tap on add ticket type. And also with Ticket Tailor, you can offer free tickets if you want. So if it is a free event that you are keeping, you could simply tap on add ticket type. Then from there we could type in free for example's sake. And we'll just call it free. Then you could set the quantity that you like to offer. After you have done that, you will select 0 right here since it's free. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option show advanced settings. And you're going to simply scroll down. And you're going to see the status. You're going to tap right there. And we're going to select hidden. Or you can choose only visible to admin. So since it's free, you can select hidden right there. Or you could leave it as is. Then we'll tap on add ticket type. So you can see it right there. We have now created 3 ticket types. After you have created your ticket types, you can scroll down. And if it is a case that you like to sell memorabilia, t-shirts or so on for your events, you can tap on add product, and this is where you'll be able to add that. If you'd like to allow donations, you can too go on add donations. And this is where you'll also be able to get your event page link. So you can view it at the moment. You could tap on preview right there. And you can see how it looks at the moment. You can see the location. Someone can tap on buy tickets. Then from there, they'll be able to select the ticket that they want. So you have the general admission, VIP, and the free tickets. You can give them away by yourself. So we'll select, for example, general admission. Then we'll tap on next. After you have done that, they can quickly fill out this. And then they'll tap on next. And they'll be able to access the payment processor just like that. And by the way, when it comes onto Ticket Tailor, I'll be showing you how to set up payments in just a few seconds. Once you're finished, you're just going to scroll down. You can select currency right there. After doing that, you can also see advanced settings that you can edit, and we're just going to tap on save. Now, to edit the checkout form, you could select checkout form from the left-hand menu option to edit it. To enable the online payment providers, you'll tap on enable online payment provider, and you'll be redirected to your Stripe checkout, and you'll be redirected to Stripe, and from here you can enter in your Stripe account information. When it comes on to Ticket Tailor, you can also offer different payment options, for example PayPal and so on. By scrolling down, you will see different options that you can offer right here. Where you see more options, you could tap right there. After selecting more options, from here you could select PayPal, Square. You can also choose to accept offline payments, so you can choose to accept in-person payments if you want. You have different options that you can select. And by the way, by going over to the left-hand menu option, you can see that it also offers different integrations that you can use. When it comes onto the seating chart, you'll need to go onto a different plan to access that. So you have different options that you can also explore. You also have email templates that you can customize and so on. So once you have set up your payment provider, you'll tap right here where you see draft, and you'll select publish, and just like that, your event will be live. Once your event is live, you could tap on promote. After selecting promote, this is where you'll be able to get the ticket link. So you can tap right here on test link and you'll get the ticket link right there. You could also download the QR code that you can share. If you like to embed it on your website, you can do that. You can also create discount codes if you want. So you could tap on discount codes and you'll be able to create that. And with Ticket Tailor, you'll be able to monitor the orders by tapping on orders. You'll be able to view the orders right there. You can also view sales report and so on. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.